everyone, it's Nicole, and today I got my March Boxy charm unboxing. So, little thing I want to say, first of all, I am so sorry that this is just now coming up. There was issues with the app that I used to get my video to my editor. Apparently I didn't have enough storage, and I don't know, I've tried to upload it twice, and it was just saying there was not enough storage, so I had to go through everything and delete everything of my videos saved, and then I accidentally deleted the Boxy charm that I filmed when I got, like, the box, like, at the end of March, and I accidentally deleted both of them, so they're nowhere on my phone anymore, because once I filmed it and I got it onto the app, I went onto my phone and I deleted it, so I didn't have it backed up, so here we are having to refilm. And then my April Boxy charm is coming this Tuesday. Hopefully this is up on Monday or this Sunday, I hope. And if it is on Monday or Sunday, then the box for April should be here Tuesday, April 9th. And I can get started on that for y'all. So, again, I'm so sorry about that. There's just been difficulties and stuff going on. But let's get into this box so I can show y'all what I got last month. So this is the card for the box. It says La Vie en Rose, which means life in pink, I think is what it said. I looked it up. And of course on the back it has the products and the prices and just descriptions. So I have 5 products this month. So let's get into the box. So first is this. This is the Moda Powder and Soft Glow Brush Set. Let's see if there's anything. No, there is not. Is there anything on here? Ooh. Also, it is currently raining and thundering outside, so I'm sorry if you hear thundering. The only thing I know, it's two-tone synthetic brush hairs. But, anyways, let's get into this. So, first is this brush, which is supposed to be a soft glow. It says it's a sweet, luminous glow brush that's supposed to go onto the high points of your cheeks. And I did try using this brush for a highlighter. Like, I did legit try. But if y'all know me at all, I like a nice, like, there highlight. It's not really, there you go, like a ba-bam highlight. Like, that's just how I am. Yes, there's days I like my natural highlight for photos most of the time, but recently I've been really wanting my ba-bam highlight, and this brush, like it says in the box, it likes to give it a soft glow. So it's more so if you want a natural, not so much highlight, this is the kind of brush you should get. Just something very, like, flimsy and, like, soft. But as you can see, it's pink. So I have used this for blush. And I will say I do like this brush for using it for blush. Because sometimes I have certain blushes in my collection and they're so pigmented. And this brush will make it so it doesn't, like, hit the cheeks too hard. Wow, it looks like I have a splotch. We love that. We're going to ignore that, okay? Sorry. Makeup day. Just a mess. My bun's just falling too. There we go. Anyways, so this as a blush brush is a yes, but this as a highlight brush for me is a no. Does it work as a highlight brush? Yes, it does, but I just like it for blush. So that's the one brush, and then the next one is a powder brush for translucent powder, or, of course, I don't know why it says pat translucent powder onto the face. But I have used this for powder. You cannot see the little cloud of dust coming off, I don't think, but I have used this a lot, and I really do like it. Y'all, these brushes are so soft, and I can't even explain or describe to y'all how nice this feels. Like, it feels so good, so nice. So these two brushes I've been using every day in my collection, so far these are a yes. And these two brushes retail for $29.99. Okay. Next product we have is this Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Looks like this. I have had a brand from Wonder from BoxyCharm before, but this is a peel off mask. Now, first things first, I do not know. I haven't tried this because I typically don't like to go for masks that are peel off because they typically hurt, or there's just issues with it, or I don't know. So typically I go for sheet masks and mud masks. So I have not tried this, and I've tried to give it to a friend before this video came out so they could try it and they could tell me, But two of my friends that I usually give this stuff to, one of them is having a whole new skincare routine, so she hasn't been wanting to try anything like this. And the other one, I told her about it, and I'm about to give it to her, so hopefully I can see if it's good or not. But it says on the card that it has a blend of acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts to help instantly purify and replenish dull skin. The excess oil impurities are drawn out and absorbed by the kaolin clay, and it also helps minimize the appearance of enlarged pores. The rose gold skin saving peel off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clear, and brighter complexion. So also Kathleen Lights, who does Boxy Charm unboxings as well, did do this like on camera. Like, she actually does show you using the products. She said that this product was a bit hard to do because she did such a thin layer that was hard for her to like peel it off, so she kind of had to wash it off. Personally, if I were to use this, if I were to use this mask, I would go for washing it off, just because personally I don't want to be peeling it off unless it's like on my cheeks. But again, I have kind of sensitive skin, so that's another reason why I didn't try this product, because I was just too scared that it was going to do something to my skin. And right now my skin's doing so much better than it has been, so I was just too scared to like try it. But I've heard good things. I'll get like a little swatchy for y'all. It's like leaking into the cap. Ooh, it looks like a highlighter. A very finer highlighter. It smells good. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. Again, I just typically don't go for products like this. But it feels very thick when you put it on, so just letting you know. And it says that you have to wait 10 to 15 minutes for mask to completely dry. Then you have to slowly peel it off. So if you're into this, look into it. I think Wonder Beauty is sold at Sephora now, I'm pretty sure. So if this is something that intrigues you, go find it. So this mask retails for $34. So the next thing in the box is this Appeal liquid eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold. Now, first of all, I would just like to say, my friend sending me messages. This is not rose gold. This is actual like gold. And I know because the handles of the brush are rose gold. What is my friend saying? I'm not gonna answer. Like, this looks just like an actual gold. This is rose gold, so I don't know. But anyways, I did try this product. Like, I did give it a shot. I did use it more so of a glitter for the cut crease, because y'all know I love my Stila glitter, and I like my Urban Decay glitter liner by Midnight Cowboy. Those are my two kinds of glitter things I go for typically. There's a spill on my desk or something. But it's like really, really pretty. I just personally did not like how it looked, because I did a cut crease and then I had it like up right here, and that's where I had it. One thing I will say about this I do like is, unlike the Stila and the Urban Decay one, when you remove it, there's glitter all over your hand and eyes. You remove this and there's just like, it's not even that bad. Like, y'all can't even see it. Like, there's like tiny little things of glitter, but it's just not that detectable on here. So, you know. But this retails for $21. So the next thing we have in here is this overall long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Monaco, and it looks like this. It's a nice metallic lip, like, hello, gorgeous. Now, this is the third Ofra liquid lipstick I've gotten in a service box bag thing. And finally, this is a shade I can work with and like and use. Now, like I said, this is a metallic liquid lipstick, meaning I have not tried really wearing it by itself. Because, like, I like matte lipsticks or glosses. Like, that's just my cup of tea. So what I have been doing with this is I'll put on my nude lips. So, like, my MAC Velvet Teddy or my Morphe cream lipstick in Whipped, or my Kylie liquid lipstick in Savage. And then I'll take this and I'll put it on top and just kind of, like, slowly smooth it, like, add more to make it look like it's kind of healthy and glowing on the lips. And that's how I've been wearing this. Again, I don't believe I've tried it alone, and if I were to, I just don't think that's my cup of tea. It's a really stunning shade, like, honestly, when I saw it online. And also, when you apply it on, it just goes on so smooth, and there's no problem, so we love that. And this retails for $20. The last product I have in my box is this Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and this is in the shade light to medium, and then they had the medium to dark. But of course, I got light to medium. So this is what it looks like. It comes with 2 highlighters, a brightener shade, a contour, a blush, and a powder. So this highlighter shade right here is in the shade Starlight. This is the second product by Cover FX I have ever had in my collection. I've had a powder, like, the first time I ever started doing makeup, and that is all I've ever had was this and that powder. So this, what did I say, shade Divine? No. Yeah, no, Starlight. So you'll see on the side of my screen right here, so Starlight is just a nice champagne-y kind of golden color, and it's really, really pretty. So I'm in love. And then you have this brightener shade right here, which is in the shade Moonbeam, which I love. Like, y'all can see how pretty that is on my finger. This is just a good white shade. I don't know why it's called a brightener. Honestly, when I first saw this online, I thought it was like going to be an under eye brightener, but it's a highlight. So I guess this is to help this to mix, you can see me, to like mix with these 2 shades, because they are kind of dark, but like not too dark, unless it's this shade. And that shade is Divine. Ooh, that's so soft. And the Divine shade, again, as you can see, is like a rose gold, which is really, really pretty. Like, it's really, really pretty. Ooh, I really want to like be like, I guess I could. Like, those are the highlighters. Yes. So then you have the contour, which on me is a bronzer. It's in the shade Silhouette. Now, when you're swatching in here, the powders are so like soft and smooth. It's really nice. So like I said, it looks like a contour shade, but once you apply it, I love how there's there. Once you apply it on here, to me, it looks like a bronzer. Again, that's just me. So I use it as a bronzer. Okay. But it's not bad at all. I've used it multiple times, and it's a really good color. So then you have the finishing powder in the shade Stellar. Now, if you do look at this, you do see sparkles in here. I don't know the purpose of that. Honestly, I do not. I don't know if y'all can see it. You can kind of see like a bit of pinkiness to it on my arm. I do use that shade to go under right here. If I don't want to have under my bronzer brightened, I will use that finishing powder to go under my bronzer, just to make it look a bit natural, not too much, like I was trying so hard. And then you have the blush shade in here, which is called Sublime. Again, I have slowly been getting back into blush. I haven't worn blush since 2017, so I finally am getting slowly back into it. Is it a kind of blush color I would go for? No, it's like just too pink. I don't know, it's just like not my cup of tea. But I really do like this palette. You have highlighters. This is just a really good traveling palette. You have a good mirror. You have 3 highlighters plus a brightener shade right here, which you can use alone, or you can use it to mix with these highlighters to make it lighter. You have a contour / bronzer shade right here. You have a finishing powder. I've not used this all over the face. If you got this in a box, or you've bought this, you can buy this at Sephora. Please comment down below if you have used this all over the face, and if so, like, do you like it? You know, have you figured out, why there's sparkles all in it? Like, please let me know. And then the blush shade, I just don't go for. I typically go for the highlights, the contour, and the finishing powder, and that's it. But this is a good palette to go travel with. It's, like, sturdy and, like, nice. So this is a really good palette. So when I saw that this was in our box, I was, like, really excited and happy. So this retails for $45. And I'm going to go ahead and add up, unless it's already everything in my box. So, again, let me remind you, you're paying $21 per month for 5 to 6 products, and the retail value of the box for March 2019 is $149.99. Basically, basically $150. And you paid $21. So to me, this is a very good box. I, once again, really love the Cover FX palette. I am obsessed with the Ofra Liquid Lipstick in Monaco. I love, 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 love the brushes. So 3 out of the 5 I'm in love with. And again, for the price, it's just really, really good. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you, again, have Boxy Charm, please comment down below if you got the same products or different products. What was your favorite product in your box or mine? Like, let me know down below. And yeah, I love you guys so, so much. I hope you have an amazing day wherever y'all are. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.